Hi everyone, welcome back for part 2 of my cake tutorial. Everyone went to bed, it's getting kind of late, so I'm going to make this as quick as possible. I've got my cake here. It's pretty cool, it's a little bit warm, but I'm just going to pop it out of the mold. I'll just flip it over and just peel back the mold right off of it. And then I'm gonna flip this over again, cut it from the bottom down. I'm gonna have this tool, I got this at Joann's, a cake cutter, and it has these different little measurements on the side where you can adjust it. So I just approximate where the wire is about at half. Need to move it down here. So that looks pretty good. This is a denser cake. It says right on the box, so it doesn't cook up as much, but I'm just gonna go with that. And you just, it's like a saw, it's like a wire that goes across, so you just cut it right in half. You could, if it had a round top, move it up and trim the top off. So the bottom of the pan is going to be the top of your cake. So I like to put the round part of the cake down inside the pan. So just use like a flat spatula to help me out with this. I'm just gonna flip it over and lay it in the bottom. And then, remember when you were a kid and you stir up your ice cream to make it smooth, like soft serve? That's what we're gonna do with the ice cream. Sorry about that light. Go. Tillamook cinnamon horchata. I just put this whole thing in my mixer, and I use this big paddle. So I just mix that all up until it's like soft serve. And real quickly, I just spread it on top of the first layer of the cake, put the second layer on, and then just put it back in the freezer overnight, and then in the morning I'm going to take it out and frost it. So it looks like this. Soft serve. Scrape it in. Another time you could use your cool scraper. Make it a little faster, but so I just spread it out. Evenly. Looks like this. Okay. And then we're just gonna put the bottom on. Just flip it over on there. Not going to quite take up the full space. It's like this. And then I'm just going to put my Bond mat on top and let that set up in the freezer overnight. Alright, I'll see you guys in the